That's a pressure. Any evidence?
Oh, that wipe that came out into the septic when we cleared the line, went inside to go flush everything out, and I mean, whole trash cans filled with wipes. I mean, which is good, but I mean, obviously some got down into the line and clogged.
Yeah, they were trying and something got away.
Yeah, I mean, we see it all the time. They flush one wipe, it starts to back up, they get in trouble, and then they start throwing them all away. Like, oh, I've been throwing them all away this whole time, you know?
Oh well, but we got it unclogged.
Oh yeah.
We keep the Hampshire flowing. You look like you're in a drive-through window.
Yeah, you want to order some doo-doo to go?
Sure, I'll have a doo-doo to go.
Okay.
I'll have some doo-doo with a white wipe wrap.
We're out of wipe wraps, but I do got those doo-doo water balls.
All right, okay, cool. We'll take the doo-doo water balls then.
Inch thick.
Yeah, and I'll take a 32-ounce doo-doo water.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool, thanks.
I'm not going to say nothing about that one.
Yeah, no ice, because you guys put way too much ice in it. I want extra doo-doo water.
Oh, I got you.
All right. All right, thanks.
All right, just noticed something as I was walking out the door from the clog. You can see there's water all over this, so that means wastewater got underneath this flooring. Looks like it was put in. It looks like you got weepage coming up. I'm not sure how extensive the water is, but I'm pretty sure when they flooded and it was so bad there was shit and toilet paper inside of the whole base of the bathtub. I did rinse it all out, but as they probably flooded and kept trying to get it to unclog, water did get everywhere down here, and you can still see that we didn't do any sort of work on the inside. This is all residual from whatever happened, so there was water here, and what I figure is it probably got down here and leaked through there. Big indicator is the rug hanging up, probably drying because of all the water that came up out of the toilet, but almost for sure it probably leaked under here, and it leaks so much that you can see the little water sticking out, a little water pouring out of the edge there, and that's all doo-doo water. That's not fresh, tasty, want to leave. So I'm not sure what you want to end up doing there, but that's definitely got doo-doo water all underneath. But yeah, just figured I'd give you a walk around real quick, let you know what I saw as I was about to walk out after flushing the toilet.
Sink and tub are on. You find a fresh wipe inside there. Matt's flushing the toilet. You can hear it. Keep the Hampshire flowing. Just opened up the sewer line that we had found clogged with wipes. I did see it up inside there. It was connected, now it was floating inside the tank. I believe I have a photo of that I'm going to add to that, showing the blockage where it is. So I'm in about 17 feet 5 inches from the septic tank up towards the building, towards the inside of the house. And it looks like they tried to shove a 3-inch pipe inside of a 4-inch. and you can see the water kind of trickling underneath that, and it's probably pooling up underneath the building right there, because it doesn't look like it's a Fernco connection. That just looks like it's shoved inside there. All right, so I'm going to start coming back towards the septic tank. Oh, is it hitting the dirt? This is the wheel beans? Yep. It'll act like a brake.
I'm leaning on it.
I mean, the rest of the pipe looks good on the way out. Just that one area, they just kind of shoved that in. All right, just popped out.
Yeah.
And we're gonna come up, clean the lens off, and so I can show you that this is your building here. So that's your building right there. So it proves that this is the place. And that concludes the cleaning and inspection. All covered back up. Nice, nice.
Yeah. Welcome to the place where the clogs don't go down. We taking a ride down to do town. Let's go. Boom, boom.